you do that. Also, guys, this is the finale. No, I'm just gonna see her doing this, and we're not gonna finish it. So in the last video, we built 5 pawns, 1 king, 1 queen, and 1 bishop. And Carson's mad at me because I didn't give him enough followers.
Guys, subscribe to my channel.
No, don't. Guys, no, don't. He's really sus. Go subscribe to his channel before he finds out that I'm actually the imposter. And he's just making, he's a wannabe imposter. So guys, while you're doing that right now, go hit the sub button so I can win this Among Us game.
The fake Lamborghini.
No, it's a real one.
This is not a real Lamborghini, guys.
Guys, I told YouTube, and I'm not telling you what it is. That's a bad idea,
What
bro.
is that?
What is what?
What is that you're building?
I don't even know. If you told me this was a bishop, I would say no. What? That looks like one of those tube things that have this at the vacuum that just pulls up, or one of those like fidget tubes.
Fidget tube.
That's a thing, bro.
I think it's you're building the knights.
No, I'm building the bishop, the second one, remember? You're a sus, boy. I'm actually the imposter, guys. He just doesn't know. He's a wannabe imposter. He's actually a wannabe imposter, so hit that sub button for me to win.
Black and red.
I just told YouTube something that you're not supposed to know.
What? Better not be on sus.
No, it's actually, did you know that I was the imposter?
I was the second imposter.
No, I told YouTube that you're a wannabe imposter. You're just a wannabe.
I am an imposter. I'm always sus.
He's just lying, guys.
You guys, I'm red, so I'm always sus.
Guys, I'm red.
Red, always red, always.
He's always yellow, guys. What do you mean?
No.
I'm not yellow. He's a wannabe imposter, guys. So pretty much, I'm gonna win this game. I didn't say anything, guys.
I'm not yellow.
Why'd you crash?
I am.
You're always yellow, bruh. That's like your signature
When am I
color.
yellow?
I screwed up.
Okay, then what is my skin? It's actually red toilet paper hat with a pet.
Bro.
Like a robot pet.
Guys, I just missed.
Biscuit is back, guys.
How did I miss an entire thing that I had to do? Ow, guys. Ow, why would you do that? Ow. Oh, crap. Why are my hands so sweaty?
Maybe because you're so sweaty. Oh, Moxie.
Guys, he's
Moxie's
so
here.
sus.
Guys, Moxie was our first dog that was on YouTube.
Following week would be the week of that. So Emily would need to get baking done on Saturday for the 20th.
I can't get this off. Ow, my hands are so sweaty. Carson, can you get this Lego piece off? Ow! Can you get this off? Ow, bro, get these 2 pieces off.
Let me see this.
Oh, guys.
What's 2 pieces? Oh, I
Those
see.
2 pieces.
Um,
Bro, guys, it hurt me so bad. You get it off? No, these, bro, use this thing to get it off. So you have to, like, pull these together, okay?
pull these together like this. My fingers are sweaty.
Bro, how? You haven't been doing
I'm
anything.
riding the scooter right now.
That doesn't matter.
And there's off pads. Anyway, good luck.
No,
I'm riding my Rambo bike.
that's mine.
Bye.
I actually got it for Christmas, guys. Bro, he's just making up story. Oh, I got it. See, I don't need you. Oh, guys, I seriously need him. Don't tell him that I said that. I got it for Christmas. He just wants to take my thing. Alright, guys, we're done with the bishops. Oh no, we forgot his head, guys. We forgot to make his head. Hold on. Let's just make it quick.
Yeah.
Now we're done with the.
Now you're done with the bishop. Do you have anything else? Knights? Knights and...
Knights. That's
Did
what
you
we're
done the
doing right
rocks?
now.
You haven't done the rocks on the knights. That's it. You don't want to finish, guys. Don't finish. Like the video if you like chess.
Nah. I'm just kidding. Let's go.
So there's 4 appointments. It's possible that she could take it.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. Wait, guys, I forgot something.
What? What'd you forget?
Somebody's in the wall. Colby's like,
No, you guys can't see it. You can't see it. It's impossible. Ew, it got on me. Sorry, no, get rid of that, bro. It got on me. Even though it
I didn't
smells.
even touch you.
Bro.
I'm gonna
Smell me. I smell like mint.
You smell clean.
Did you just crash that? Bro, you're gonna have to stop riding the scooter.
and when it becomes a fade, you should do it. You just count on them and whatever.
This is my Lamborghini.
Bro, did you just...
Something that's more like a 10-star.
I'm just gonna take this.
Carson, bro, you can't do that. You can't crash.
Or 7. They have to be in by 7:30.
Carson.
Boy, guys.
Next time he's coming back, he's gonna go. Hey. Oh, ba-doo, 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 ba-doo.
I also like the video. What's your favorite animatronic they have?
What's your favorite animatronic I have? I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
got
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, name them.
Okay, so I got, what was his name again? 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 And then what was his name again? King out, Jumping Spider, Peekaboo Clown, Collector, Scary Harry, and Wraith. W.Wraith. Hey,
And
boy.
the collector.
What? That's what I said.
And Scary Harry.
Steal my butt. That's what I said. You can't steal my thunder. Oh, Biscuit's so scary. Yo, we made
And
him.
also the jumping spider.
Carson, bro.
Also, guys, the jumping
Bro,
This
you,
has a jumping spider too.
bro.
Did you forget the jumping spider?
No, you ran into the chair.
Guys, I'm actually a cameraman. Someone's holding the
He's
camera
actually crashing.
back. That was actually just a hologram.
Carson's a hologram. Here's what he actually looks like.
Don't.
Oh, he looks like nothing.
Yeah, because actually, I'm not Carson.
No, Carson's not a Carson's not a
I'm
thing.
actually named Albert.
Then why do you have a channel called Carson Fun?
So that's a person, other person. Yeah.
There's another Carson? Well, am I
No.
supposed to know about this?
Yeah, there's another Carson. It's actually holograms.
How do you know?
Post the video, and I was holding the camera.
Okay, then here's what he really looks like. You're supposed to come out.
Okay.
and say it's me, Teddy Bear.
Okay. Sorry, guys, but this is what my face looks like.
Oh crap!
Guys, this is my face.
Yeah, you did.
Guys, look, this is my face. This is my face. If you're wondering, this is my face. I'm just kidding. That's a.
Oh, ow!
I do want to see what I look like. This is what I look like, guys.
Bro. Okay, it snapped in place. No,
Help
no,
play
but
with
don't.
this Lego set.
No, don't.
Like the video to help them out.
Push pig. Oh, short.
This guy's actually on a horse, but the horse is just
Really sus. Like, I saw him, like, really sus earlier. Like, he's just sus.
sus as sus.
Okay, guys. So we made these guys.
I'm holding the camera.
Bye.
Just kidding.
It is actually me walking and someone's holding.
We're not done yet,
like,
guys.
Someone's holding here from right now. Alright, so I need to go back to the camera. Thank you for holding it. That person. Right now I'm going back to hold the camera. Alright guys, I'm holding the camera.
Oh, stop! What the? I just threw me the right piece.
Here you go, me. Okay. Here you go.
See, this is the part that's confusing. It's like build this, then build this. No, build this.
It's like, you finished one side. Now go.
You finished 1 out of 5. Now build this, build this, build this, build this, build this, build this, build this.
Hey guys, I'm cameraman.
Guys, I played horrible this round. Oh my
Thank you for
gosh,
holding the camera,
guys.
person.
We actually hired a professional cameraman to do our videos, so take a selfie of him.
Oh no, guys. This is gonna be hard.
Luckily, we have an editor.
Luckily, I'm the cameraman.
Bro, what you barking at? Stupid. So yeah, these guys are a little different, but cool. Almost done with the first rook. Boom. Front and set. Oh no! Alright, the last rook. Why you stupid? Stupid. Guys, we're almost done with this. Guys, we're almost done. Alright. It's a race against time, guys. No, don't. No, don't. No, don't. Okay, there we go. Bro, guys. Couple more pieces. Two more pieces left, and then we're done. Last piece. Guys, that is all the fun we had today. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Zane and Carson, peace out. Bye, waiter. Bye.